In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Claude AI chat as a PDF. Quick and easy guide 2026. First, open your browser and go to Claude. If you're not already on the conversation you want to save, you can start a new one or reopen an existing chat. Take a second to confirm you're signed in to the correct account and that you're on the chat you actually want to keep. This helps you avoid downloading the wrong thread later. Next, type or paste the prompt you want into the message box. If you're pulling text from somewhere else, paste it in and give it a quick skim to make sure the formatting looks right. If the conversation needs context, add that now so the reply includes everything you'll want in the PDF. It's a good idea to let the assistant finish responding, then make any quick edits or follow-up prompts so the final conversation is clear and complete. When the chat looks the way you want it to appear in the file, type the phrase, "Make this a PDF," and send it. This tells the assistant to package up the current conversation into a downloadable document. Give it a moment to process. If the thread is long, it might take a little longer. While it's working, avoid sending extra messages so the content in the PDF stays exactly as you intended. After the PDF is prepared, look to the right-hand menu. You'll see an option to download the file. Click the download button, choose a folder on your computer, and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. If your browser asks where to save files, pick a location you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated Docs folder. Once it finishes downloading, open the PDF to double-check the layout, headings, and any code blocks or long answers. If something looks off, return to the chat, make quick adjustments, and repeat the download. If you prefer to manage your conversations more broadly, you can also head to the privacy section in your account settings to handle your data. This area is useful when you're organizing chats or moving information between devices, and it keeps everything in one place without having to repeat the same actions across multiple threads. That's it. Visit Claude, add or paste your prompt, tell it to make a PDF, then grab the download from the right menu, or manage your data from privacy when you need a more general workflow. Keep your files organized, avoid including sensitive details in shareable PDFs, and you'll have clean, ready-to-use documents in just a few clicks.